In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before you continue, because teams are created and managed there. Once you're in, head to the global navigation and select Teams. If you don't see the Teams option right away, don't worry. Click More and then choose Teams from the list. This is where you'll manage group-based collaboration inside ClickUp. Once you're in the Teams hub, look to the upper right corner and click Create Team. This opens the setup window for your new group. The first thing you'll do is enter a name for the group. Choose something clear and recognizable so everyone in your workspace understands its purpose. For example, you might use a name like Marketing Team, Sales Team, or Operations Team, depending on how your organization is structured. After naming the team, select a custom icon. This may seem like a small detail, but it can make your team easier to spot later, especially if your workspace contains several groups. A simple, relevant icon helps keep things organized and visually clear. Next, enter a description for the group if needed. This step is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to explain the team's role, who should be included, or how the team will be used. A short description can save time later by giving members quick context. When everything looks good, click Create Team. Your new group will now appear in the Teams hub, which confirms that it has been successfully created. The next step is to add members. Find your new team and click the People icon. From there, search for the people you want to include. Select the appropriate members, then click Invite. Take a moment here to make sure you're adding the right people, since this team can later be used for assignments, communication, and sharing access. Once members have been added, you can start using the team throughout ClickUp. You'll be able to assign tasks to the group, mention the team in comments, add the group as followers, and share ClickUp locations or individual items with everyone in that team at once. This can make collaboration much faster and more consistent, especially when multiple people need the same visibility. Finally, to check that everything is set up correctly, open Teams again and select your newly created group. You should now be able to see the team and its members inside your ClickUp workspace. Thanks for watching.